Getting visibility into your network shouldn't require weeks of setup. Open-AudIT is designed to be quick to install, easy to start, and ready to deliver value fast for AI-powered compliance. You can deploy Open-AudIT on-premises or in the cloud. It's free to download with up to 20 devices included, so you can explore what's on your network before committing further. You can download the latest version from open-audit.com. First, you will need to download the latest version of Nmap, which you can find at nmap.org. You can simply accept the default settings when installing Nmap. Once you've downloaded Open-AudIT, install it as an administrator. There's no complex configuration needed to get started. The guided process takes just minutes. Again, you should be able to accept the default settings. Once Open-AudIT is running, it's ready to begin discovering devices and building an accurate picture of your environment. To start discovering, simply enter your device credentials. Open-AudIT can handle a huge variety of credential types. From there, you can start discovering, configuring, and reporting on devices to manage your entire network. To get started, download Open-AudIT now from open-audit.com. If you need step-by-step guidance, check out our installation documentation on the First Wave Community Wiki.